In today's video, I'm going to compare Google Workspace, Namecheap, and Zoho so you can quickly understand what each platform does, who it is for, and which one might be the best fit for your business or personal project. If you've been wondering whether you need a full productivity suite, a domain registrar, or an all-in-one business platform, this guide will make it simple. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's get right into it. Let's start with Google Workspace. Google Workspace is Google's productivity and business software suite, and it includes tools that many people already know and use every day. You get professional Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, Calendar, and more. One of the biggest reasons people choose it is because it gives you a polished business email address using your own domain, like yournameyourcompany.com, instead of a regular personal Gmail address. That makes Google Workspace a strong choice if you want to look professional, stay organized, and keep everything in one connected ecosystem. If you already use Google tools, this can feel very familiar right away. You can store files in Drive, write documents in Docs, manage spreadsheets in Sheets, and join video meetings in Meet, all under one account. It's especially useful for teams, remote work, client communication, and businesses that want a simple but powerful setup. Now let's move on to Namecheap. Namecheap is different because it is primarily a domain registrar and hosting provider. In simple terms, this is where you go when you want to buy and manage a domain name. For example, if you want to register a domain like yourcompany.com, Namecheap is one of the places you can do that. It also lets you manage DNS settings, which is important when you want to connect your domain to other services. Namecheap is not mainly a productivity suite like Google Workspace, and it is not really an all-in-one business software platform like Zoho. Instead, it is best known for domains, hosting, SSL certificates, and DNS management. So if your first priority is securing your brand name, setting up your website, or controlling how your domain points to other services, Namecheap is a very useful option. A lot of people actually use Namecheap together with other platforms. For example, you might buy your domain from Namecheap, then connect that domain to Google Workspace for email or to Zoho Mail for business email. That flexibility is one of the biggest reasons Namecheap is so popular. Now let's look at Zoho. Zoho is more than just email or domains. Zoho offers a broad ecosystem of business applications, including Zoho Mail, Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, Zoho Desk, and many other tools. This means Zoho can cover a lot of different business needs in one place, from customer management and accounting to support and communication. If you want professional email, Zoho Mail can give you that using your own domain. But the real advantage is that Zoho goes far beyond email. It is a strong option if you want a larger business software suite that can grow with you. For example, if you need CRM tools to manage leads, accounting tools to track finances, and help desk software to support customers, Zoho gives you a lot of those pieces together. So which one should you choose? Choose Google Workspace if you want professional email combined with Google's productivity tools and cloud-based collaboration features. Choose Namecheap if you mainly need a domain name, DNS management, hosting, or SSL services. And choose Zoho if you want business email plus a wider set of business applications such as CRM, accounting, and customer support. It's also important to understand that these tools are not always competitors in the same way. In many cases, they work together. For example, you could purchase your domain from Namecheap, then use that domain with Google Workspace for email or with Zoho Mail for your business inbox. That means you do not always have to choose only one platform for everything. So the best option really depends on your goal. If you want a simple, familiar, and professional setup, Google Workspace is hard to beat. If you want domain control and hosting flexibility, Namecheap is a smart choice. And if you want an all-in-one business ecosystem with multiple apps, Zoho is very appealing. If this video helped clear things up, please give it a like, subscribe for more software comparisons and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which one you use or which one you're thinking about trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.